This model home is going to be called the Haskell plan. It's over in our 60 section. This one's going to be 3612 square feet. Same concept, study. This one has a spectacular fireplace that they did on it all the way up to the ceiling. And that corner that you're filming now will be a half bath around that corner, and then that will be the secondary bedroom with its own bath that you can go through, and then that will be towards your garage as well. This one is 3612.
Got it.
So probably about 150 square feet difference, a base plan. This one does have a formal dining. So my other model home did not have a formal dining. So similar kitchen that you saw on my other model home, we just have a larger butler's pantry here. And this particular home model here does have a nice view. So this is one of the views that I was telling you could get that you wouldn't have anyone behind you. So again, the master is here. So again, another home. All of our 2 stories are going to have 2 bedrooms downstairs with 2 full baths. Yeah, this is a very nice size room. Plus this walk-in closet. This is a huge room. They've got 2 twin beds in here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, this is a very nice size room. This one has a game room upstairs and bedrooms. Does not have a balcony, a little bit different layout. Well, it's just kind of like a jewel, I guess. It just goes through to this bedroom. So this one here will be a 4-bedroom with the game room.
4-bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
They're so big.
Mm-hmm. Like that 1 bedroom is really big.
It is really
so is this one.
4-bedroom, 3.5 baths?
This one has 1, 2, 3, 4.5 baths.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, and so did my other model. So both of them.
Square footage again?
This one is 3612.
Got it.
Very nice entryway on all of our homes. They do some kind of segue, like with this wall here that goes back into the main living area.